Hey there, how's it going? Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Airflow on your Ubuntu virtual machine. So what I need to do is just follow this instruction here to first of all install Python 3, so and Python 3 pip as well. So to do that, I'm going to paste the command here and enter my password. So it's already installed before. I just want to show you how it's done. So if it wasn't installed, the installation will still be going on, but I already installed it. So that's why the output here is very short. So the next thing is to check if pip3 has been installed by typing pip3 version. So we've got version 9.0.1, and so the next thing you need to do is basically create Airflow directory. So to create Airflow directory, you need to type this command, make directory. So if you want to follow what is there, make direct, cannot create directory because I already have it. All this installation have been done before, but I just want to show you the steps. So once you create that Airflow directory, say ls, you will see so go to Airflow directory, cd Airflow. So you see Airflow is already there. So inside the Airflow directory, create another directory called dark, make directory darks. So create the darks directory, it's already there. So once you've done that, in your Airflow directory, use sudo pip3 uninstall Apache Airflow. So what this one is going to do for me is uninstall the Airflow that already exists. I already have Airflow there, but I'm going to uninstall it and install it again. Okay, do I want to proceed? Yes. Yeah, because I want to show you. So if I enter ls now, I still have this Airflow information here. Alright, the Airflow CFG, Airflow DB that I already created before. But in your case, if you're just starting to install it, it will show you only this darks folder that you created previously. So now you can assume that you have this darks folder. I mean, that is what should be there for you if you don't have the installation done before. So the next thing you have to do is install Apache Airflow. So that will be sudo pip3 install Apache Airflow. So the installation is going on now. I came across an error when I first installed the Airflow, and the error is now it's successfully installed. So this is the error. So the case might not be the same for you, but in my case I get this following error: Python setup.py egg info failed with error code 1. So when you get this error, it may be because your pip3 is not up to date, or your setup.py is not up to date. So to fix it, you need to upgrade your setup.py. So if you type pip3 list, you will get the list of all the pip3 version that you have, the library versions. So if you go to setup.py, and here you can see you've got pillow pip version 9.0.1. so if you check your setup version, the setup version here is 39.0.1, so that is not the latest. So if you upgrade it, if you upgrade it using this command sudo pip3 install upgrade setup tools. Okay, so if you upgrade the setup tools, it will be successfully upgraded to the latest case. So the latest, the one that it's upgraded to is 59.6.0. so now after the upgrade, I basically was able to install Airflow. So if you come across that error, that is the fix you need to make, or you can upgrade your pip version as well. So moving on. Okay, so now we've successfully installed Apache Airflow, which is version 2.2.5. The next thing you have to do is basically initialize your database by using Airflow DB init. Once you use Airflow DB init, it will basically automatically have these folders created: airflow.cfg, airflow.db, logs, web server config.py. So let's run this command again: airflow db init. So initialization completed. But if you running the command for the first time, it will take longer. So the next thing you have to do is basically create your admin user and password. So to do that, you have to basically follow these steps here. So type airflow users create, and you have to basically specify, enter. Then the next thing you need to do is specify your username. We leave it as admin, then backup slash, and specify the email address. Email, I will say admin at stephen.org. Then enter. So that should create this admin user and password for you. So password, yeah, you have to create your password as well. Then confirm password. So this admin already exists because I already created them before, but that is the step you need to follow. So the next thing you need to do now is basically start the Airflow web server. So that is what is going to start Airflow for you. So Airflow web server, the port number is 8080. I think that's wrong. It should be Airflow web server together like that. And that's wrong again. Okay, I did not specify the port. So that is starting Airflow web server right now. So you have to basically open a web browser, right? And to do that, I think we've got Firefox. What you need to do is basically type localhost 8080. So it's here you basically have to log into Airflow. So it's going to have your username. We already know our username, which is admin, and the password that you basically created, which is password. Then you can now sign in. Now, okay, we are able to sign into our Airflow. So basically, these are the examples of DAGs. So you can create your own DAG by basically, so all these tags are written in Python code. So every tag you create has to be inside the tag folder, otherwise they will not appear on this tag page. So basically that is how you can install Airflow. I will be uploading some videos regarding Airflow, how to use Airflow, how to create DAGs. Yeah, for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. So, goodbye and have a lovely day.